Have you ever wondered how a 50-ton machine that shapes the earth is built from scratch?
Every giant machine begins as raw steel, waiting to be transformed.
Precision cutting shapes the foundation of the bulldozer's powerful frame.
In blazing heat, metal is reborn into engineered strength.
Robotic precision ensures strength, balance, and flawless alignment.
Pressure and force refine the structure into unbreakable durability.
Advanced machining sculpts the heart of the machine, the engine block.
Piece by piece, the engine comes together with calculated precision. The crawler tracks are forged to conquer the harshest terrains. And slowly, the beast begins to awaken. Inside the core, precision components are aligned to deliver unstoppable power.
Transmission gears are engineered to transfer power with absolute efficiency.
Each gear is assembled with careful calibration for smooth performance.
Track links are forged under extreme heat and pressure. Cooling and refinement transform raw force into durable mobility.
Hydraulic systems are crafted to control immense force with accuracy.
Every hydraulic component is tested to withstand extreme pressure.
The bulldozer blade begins as reinforced steel shaped with precision.
Robotic welding ensures the blade can handle relentless force.
Finishing transforms raw steel into a tool capable of reshaping the earth. The operator cabin is engineered for strength, safety, and visibility.
Impact-resistant glass provides protection without compromising visibility.
Advanced controls are integrated to deliver precision and comfort.
The heart of the bulldozer is carefully mounted onto its reinforced frame. The heart of the bulldozer is carefully mounted onto its reinforced frame.
Power transfer systems are locked into place with absolute precision.
Hydraulic power enables the blade to move with unstoppable force.
With the cabin installed, the bulldozer stands nearly complete.
From raw steel to unstoppable power, this is how giants are born.
Before movement, every component is digitally calibrated for precision. Smart software integrates hardware into one synchronized system.
Fuel delivery systems are tested to ensure reliable performance.
For the first time, the engine prepares to awaken.
Initial mobility tests confirm balance and traction. Load tests measure the bulldozer's true pushing capability. Real-world testing begins beyond the factory floor.
On real terrain, the machine proves its strength and control.
After intense trials, the bulldozer demonstrates flawless terrain control. Every detail is carefully inspected to meet strict quality standards. Final checks confirm that every system performs flawlessly. Ready to reshape landscapes, the Bulldozer begins its journey.
If you enjoyed seeing how this powerful machine is built, make sure to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. What machine would you like us to explore next? Tell us in the comments below.